Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to FSAT's online sport program. Here is Mubin Mushtaq with another lecture of chemistry, that is from chapter number 8, chemical reactivity. Before starting the next lecture, we will have a recap of the previous one. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the nature of oxides of elements of the period number 3, and we also discussed about the trends of basic character of metal oxides. Today our topic is comparison of reactivity of alkali and alkaline earth metals. We will have a comparison between alkali and alkaline earth metals and their reactivity. To make a comparison of reactivity of alkali and alkaline earth metals, first of all we need to know their position in the periodic table and what are their relative tendency to lose electrons. Position of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals in the periodic table. The elements in the group first A of the periodic table, with the exception of hydrogen. Hydrogen is also present in the first A group, but it is not an alkali metal. These elements are known as alkali metals. Why? Because they form alkaline solutions when they react with water. Group second A of the periodic table, that is known as the alkaline earth metals, and it comprises of the elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now look at the position of these elements, these two groups in the periodic table. You can clearly see the alkali metals and alkaline earth metals in the periodic table. The pink column shows the alkali metals, that is the first A group in the periodic table. Although hydrogen is also present, but hydrogen is not an alkali metal. And the second one, that is the yellowish column, it shows the alkaline earth metals, and these are the positions of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals in the periodic table. Now we will discuss about ionization energies of alkali and alkaline earth metals, because their reactivity depends on their ionization energies. Alkali metal atoms have a higher tendency to lose electrons. They have only one electron in their outermost shell, and it is easy for them to lose one electron. That's why they have low ionization energies than alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals have 2 electrons in their outermost shell. In other words, alkali metals have lower ionization energies than alkaline earth metals. It is easy to lose one electron for alkali metals than alkaline. Alkaline earth metals also have low ionization energy, but this ionization energy is higher than alkali metals. Now look at the graph. You can clearly see both groups, group 1 and group 2. Group 1, that is bluish in color, and the group 2, that is pinkish. You can see lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, that is present in the group 1's first A of the periodic table, and the second group, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These are the 2 groups of periodic table, and the first group, that is known as alkali metals, and the second group, that is known as the alkaline earth metals. This is the variation of first ionization energy. In case of first A group, only first ionization energy exists because they have only one electron in their outermost shell, and in case of second group, that is the magnesium calcium group, first ionization energy and second ionization energy also present. So these are the variations of first ionization energy down the group for group first A and for group second A. You can clearly see that as we move down the group, the ionization energy decreases, and in case of as we compare the both 2 groups, the ionization energies of first A group are lower than that of the ionization energies of the second A group. Now look at the first ionization energy of the group first elements. The group first elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, and you can clearly see in this graph ionization energy of lithium is greater than sodium and ionization energy of sodium is greater than potassium. You can clearly see that as we move down the group, the value of ionization energy, the value of first ionization energy decreases down the group. Now look at the second group, second A group, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. You can clearly see the first ionization energy decreases down the group. So we can say as down the group, the value of ionization energy decreases for both first A and second A group. Now, after discussing about the ionization energies of first A and second A group, there is assignment for you. You have to solve self-assessment exercise 8.2 and also make a comparison of the reactivity of alkali and alkaline earth metals. If you know the position of these two groups in the periodic table and you know about their ionization energy, you can make a comparison of the reactivities of these two groups. This is all about today.